Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
In ladies' speed. My numbers for
5
kakhulu. Senzana namhlanje?
Siyashaya sidlala abantu abahambe.
Shaya ini manje?
Labantu bahamba.
Hayi, kuyangijabulisa.
Abakhwelitani basishaya siyahlala.
Kuyangijabulisa ukubona abantu abadala baphumile basemamashini. Uthini ukugqugquzela kwakhe entheni?
Abathi ngiyamsebenza nabasebenzi. Imisebenzi ngiyithole. Manje manje ngayithola umsebenzi fanele senjani ngivivele abantu.
Kumele ulele izwe njengomuntu omdala, ulele izwe.
Ekhaya. Endaweni yami.
Uthini eyuntini engafuni ukuze emamashini ey'nganeni lezi ey'ncane ezinye ezila.
Ngiyabuza ngifuna ukudla iwunga. Izonifikisaphi iwunga. Bayabaphilisa labantu laba abahamba. Bayonke bazonithwalisa banithwalisa. Bona ungaboni. Abahamba. Ngisale nani. Ngibe nani mina abantu abethu. Ningizwe. Ongezwa ngithi hamba uzobona uzowaphaphi lowo muzi loyo. Ikhaya leli linomthetho wayo. Wala ikhaya engawukhona khona. Usudlali ukudlala abantu okuhamba. Esibuyisela iy'ngane.
Basibulala izwe.
Akukho kuhle ngoba kubona abantu laba. Akukho kuhle. Sibona
Hayi. Semashini. Ekitchen. Oh, ngathembe ebhubesi. Ngishaya kakhulu nje. Ladies meet ngishube kakhulu ngishube kakhulu okwenu mafethu ukufollow yabo ukulike njalo ukulike share ulive simbe ulive so ladies meet Baba, naphe si live la ku platform enkulu. Siyakubuza imibuzo. Sibona ngathi umdala nje. Uthini ukuphawula wakho uthini nje yini ekuthintile ukuthi uyibandakanye ngale masha namhlanje?
Edayisa ama-drugs nehunga yonke lento nanokuthi kubaluleke kakhulu laba abangenaso imvumo ukuba lana abahambe
ababuye kubo
laba abanemvumo bangahlala.
Ikuphi ukugqugquzela ongakusho noma ongakwenza manje egengeni le esasencanyana engakafuni ukuphuma yonke ilwele leyo nto le elele lento le esikuyo namhlanje? Ungathi nje entsheni le ehlele emakhaya
ukuthi ikakhulukazi enkeni ngoba yiyo
ezosala
amathuba emisebenzi engenawo mhlawumbe amaningi athatha yibo labantu bokuhamba ngoba ngasondela beze bahambane kanye bazame ukubandakanya nemiphakathi ento ezenziwayo khona nabo bokhula ngelanga ukusondela entweni ngelanga na uzokhula uyibone lento eyenziwayo ukuthi yenziwa
okay sisele Smith la ngithi ukephi le ndawo le section noma indawo Skimming House okay banjani ukuhlupha nje abantu bokufika la izwe labo le
ngendlela abaningi ngayo la uhamba nje lana usaphephile ngawena umuntu endawo
okay hayi kuzolunga ko
yasithemba ukuthi
sesiqala
nabo fanele babone ukuthi ngempela bahambe babuye emakhaya bayolungisisa la ngakubo hayi ubaleke emazweni abawolungile
shuthi sisho ngazolimi ukuthi abahambe lapha
hayi abahambe
hayi bazohamba
yebo ngoba nabo bayabona
ukuthi kwenzekani
lo manje abantu sesebephutshela
hayi siyathokoza wasale Smith makhelana indawo hayi siyabonga futhi omdala si live simfuna ukuba ne-interview nawe sibona uphethe ibhodi elikhulu elibhalwe ukuthi abahambe
mfowethu
kwenze njani kahle
mfowethu umuntu akabuyele kulezi esiyibona ukuthi sishoda ngani kumi kanjani esihlele kabusha yebo silokho sicelayo nesihla sibi asishayi umuntu kodwa abantu ababuyele emakubo
nayihambela nje kuphela
siyahambela sijababa siyacela
okay
ukuthi umuntu abuyele kubo
Lady Smith angithi
yebo
uthini okwakho ukuphawula nje ngabantu bokufika khona la Lady Smith
sebeqalile bagcwele yonke indawo sebengaphe kwethu ngoba manje nabo bebangamasha mhlawumbe bangabangaka
kunjani ukubambisana kwenu komphakathi amaphoyisa amakhansela
ngibona inhlangano ezahlukene ihlangane ndawonye politics ibekecele sihlangene nje siwuZulu sikhuluma ngezwe lilodwa
bathini izwe lilodwa
imeya la ukhona amakhansela inhlangano ezahlukene sikhuluma ngezwe lilodwa sinjabana
kusekhona le genge le esasencanyana le esahlele emakhaya engayibandakanye ngamamasha uthini ngiyona
amehlo awakavuleki ngithi mhla kwavuleka amehlo kulentsha yethu izokubona esibhekene nabo ngoba nje wasilwa sibe la yona sivule yona amathuba uqedwe umetric ungasithola isikole ubambe Samuel kwakunjalo kudala akusabanjwa ndawo manje ngoba kugcwele abantu bangaphandle
usuka le Nigeria azoba netafula la usuka le Ghana
azoba security ama-security akithi ahlele emakhaya
shuthi phela isikaskin phela angisuna masikaskin
asikwazi ukusecurity ungasikaskin ayikwazi ukusecurity
hayi elethi iso hayi ungowana ntombanga
hawu
abahambi
nje sithi hayi abathi nje shiye emakhaya kuphela
hayi siyathokoza Raz uyasebenza yini Raz uyasebenza usebenza Raz Alton Atra wenzani lapha Atra namhlanje uyengile emsebenzini ujoyina imasha usabahambe benzana yini labaxanga abantu abakufika wakwabhema nama-drugs waphuma okay sithini iseluleko kuwe njengoba
asile asituduzeli odlala basingajabula nje
bahambe
nje ngokuthula ungalimali muntu asibulali umuntu usufuna nje ukuthi
bahambe
thula asibulala sengilokuthi peaceful
bani
peaceful
manje
esiyenza asibi nabo kodwa nabo kebe emakhaya
udela umsebenzi walova emsebenzini wajoyina imasha
usuku
ngenkufe nomlungu uyoxola
kodwa nje sithi abahambe asile
Phelang Mthakathi and his team, they are out and about, Ladysmith, marching against foreigners, and we can see them doing their marching, guys. If there is one thing about these people, they are not going to give up. Yes, they are not willing to give up anytime soon. They are still going on with their marching. They're still marching against foreigners. Even though there is this chaos happening behind the scene. We saw that there is a 19-year-old Tsonga boy who passed away due to this march and march, due to these fights against foreigners. But at this point, it seems like they don't care. Like, they do not care. The only person that seems like she is at least hurt, she is also, she is hurt, man. You understand me? It's Ujacinta, because she have been making videos, and you can actually see through her videos that she is shattered. Like, she did not expect this to happen. Yes. And now she's trying by all means to defend herself. And these other leaders, Ungizwe no Phelang Mthakathi, they've said nothing. They're actually going on, moving on with their lives as if nothing had happened. Like, they do not care about that. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. Do you think it is good? What do you think about the mother? How is the mother feeling, knowing very well that my son passed away because of this march and march, and seeing people continuing with this march and march? How is she going to feel, Mara? But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.